In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone a presenter in GoToMeeting. Whether you're hosting a business meeting or leading a webinar, there are times when you'll need to hand over the presenter controls to another participant. This can be especially useful if you want to allow someone else to share their screen or guide the conversation. So, let's walk through the steps you need to follow to make this happen smoothly and effectively. To begin, after you've started your meeting in GoToMeeting and you have your participants all set up, take a moment to locate the people icon on your screen. This icon looks like a little person or attendee and is prominently situated in the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on that icon. Doing this will open up the attendee panel, which allows you to see a list of everyone who is currently participating in your meeting. Now, as you look through the list of attendees, identify the person you want to promote to a presenter. You'll want to select their name carefully. Usually this involves clicking directly on their name. Once selected, you should see options appearing next to that attendee's name. Direct your attention to these options, and you'll find one labeled Make Presenter. If you're interested in giving this person even more control, perhaps to manage the entire meeting, you could choose Make Organizer instead. Since today we're focusing on making them a presenter, go ahead and click on the Make Presenter button. At this point, GoToMeeting will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to ensure that you don't accidentally change someone's role without intending to. So when that prompt appears, simply click Yes to confirm your selection. And there you have it. Once you confirm the change, the person you selected will now have presenter privileges. This means they can share their screen, navigate the presentation, and essentially lead the discussion from their end. It's a seamless way to collaborate and ensure that everyone who needs to share content can do so effortlessly. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently promote someone to a presenter role, enhancing the interactivity and productivity of your meeting. Whether it's for a quick presentation swap or ongoing control change, knowing how to make these adjustments is crucial for any successful virtual meeting. As always, thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on using GoToMeeting and other remote tools.